Hello everyone, welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you the challenge number 8. This challenge is going to be very special for you because in this challenge I am not only giving you the challenge but also I am trying to give you one beautiful exercise. If you practice, then your finger movement will be faster. I have seen many students who are facing difficulties to move one note to another. So if you practice this exercise, then you will have the smooth movement. Okay, I will share with the notation. You need to play this and send back to me. You're supposed to use C scale and 120 BPM in metronome. That's supposed to be in 4/4 rhythm. Anyone who loves music, who wants to learn music, not only flute but also any other instrument, any other vocal artist also, if you please do not hesitate to send it to me. Okay, let me share with you the notation and the rhythm. Okay, here is the notation and you can hear the click. Let me play this. 1 2 3 4. Please take a look to the notation. It is present in 4/4 rhythm, but I am reading this notation as sare gare gare sare gare gare sare gare 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 sare gare gare sare gare gare 1 2 sare gare gare sare gare gare sare gare re gare. So how that it will go like sare ga re ga re sare ga re ga re sare ga re ga ma ga re ga ma ga re ga ma pa ma ga ma pa ma. You can speed up also when you do practice, but this is not not only for one day or 2 days. It will be your lifelong practice. If you practice this, your movement will be so fast. Okay, thank you so much. See you in next video. All the best.